Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the linked phone, business phone number and virtual line app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Linked Phone is a business communication app designed to provide users with a professional phone number and virtual phone system without needing any separate hardware. Built especially for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small teams, the app helps separate personal and business calls while offering features usually found in full office phone systems. It's available on both iOS and Android and works seamlessly across smartphones, tablets, and web browsers. The app's main feature is its virtual business number, which allows you to receive and make business calls from your personal device while keeping your private number hidden. Linked Phone includes tools like call routing, business hours, voicemail to text, team extensions, and a virtual receptionist. It also maintains shared call logs and contact lists for teams, making it easier to stay organized and responsive. Everything is cloud-based, so your business line travels with you wherever you go. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple setup process, clear call quality, and the ability to manage a business phone system without needing extra devices. The option to collaborate with team members and manage multiple extensions is especially helpful for small businesses. Its voicemail transcription, call notes, and customer relationship features help streamline daily communication and record keeping. However, there are some drawbacks. Linked Phone requires a subscription for most of its key features, and some users report occasional syncing delays between devices. Advanced call center level features such as detailed analytics or automated workflows are limited. Additionally, call reliability may vary in low connectivity areas, since the app is heavily dependent on internet strength and device performance. In summary, the Linked Phone app may be worth using if you want an easy, affordable, and professional way to manage your business calls, set up a virtual phone system, and keep personal communication separate. However, if you need advanced enterprise calling tools or want a completely free solution, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.